Today we're going to be testing which camera is better. The Camcorder versus the AKASO EK7000. First up, the Camcorder. It's really nice and has pretty good shots. It has a really nice pausing feature where you can pause the video, turn angles, and then unpause the video, which is really nice. The EK7000 is a good action camera and gets some pretty wide shots, which are really nice, but it doesn't have a pause feature, but it's really nice overall. So, which is the winner? The Camcorder! It's just really nice. It has a wide range of buttons and features. Subscribe for more.